I just want a moment of your time to change your life. My name is IKEA Meatball and I am the Daily Mail's twice winning top most popular interior designer of the year. I am going to show you how to keep your space looking cute, tidy and clean using my 3 simple hacks. In this video, you're going to learn how to turn your clutter into yum yum butter. Keep your sofa looking comfortable and affordable. And finally, a couple of fun crafts for the weigh-ins. They'll be laughing for days. Okay, are you guys ready? 'Cause I know I am. Let's go! No, John, listen to me. I can't be saying that on my channel. These are my subscribers here. John, get out. You're gone. You're barred. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed those 3 simple hacks. They were dead easy, weren't they? Be sure to stick around for the next video where I'll be showing you how to keep your septic tank clean and sparkling. Ta-ta for now!